addition to the Z-Power family. This is going to be a whole new direction. Something I've never done before. But look at this 83 Chevy Square Body. Got most all the paint done and everything on it. Well, I'm out here in the garage today, playing around. Got we'll say a little project. But anyways, I picked this truck up a few years ago. And it needs all assembled, put together pretty much. All the parts are in the bed. A lot of them. It's set outside for off and on for a couple of years. Anyways, somebody else, they did a decent paint job on it. It's not no show quality or anything. But something I could maybe turn into a drag truck, or thought about lowering it down, do like something like a Pro Touring, something with some serious handling suspension and a square body, which you don't ever see. But yeah, maybe I'll rip the seat out of this and start doing the floor and everything in this video. Previous guy, he did a beautiful job on these wheels. They're factory rallies. Some Nittos. They had the frame off, restored. Painted. The body off the frame, I guess I should say. Did a really nice job on a lot of things. I mean, some corners were, what do you want to say, cut. But I think he just lost interest and lost time, and it costs a lot of money to do these things correctly. Anyways, if I can get this baby out of here. I'll find a little spot over there on the wall. throw me up my seat. Try to get this thing all cleaned out. Having it outside with a cover on it kind of sucks. Makes me feel bad too. Need to get all the glass in it. I think that's what I'm gonna go with first. Get some glass in it. Put the vinyl floor in it. Still haven't figured out what I want to do for a motor. Yeah. I don't know. Anyways. Somebody put an older wiring harness in this thing. Got a floor pedal switch and shit in it. Huh. These vinyl floors can be a pain to, you want to say, fit in here. I have had it thrown in another cab outside. It did fit really nice, and then the wind kind of caught it, and then I kind of forgot about it, and it kind of like curled it up in a ball in the cab. So now this thing's like, I don't know, all janked up. They're a pain in the butt. Get them go up nice. Put a few of them in. Move the camera around for you guys. Maybe get a little bit better view in here. Break out the heat gun here in a minute. Slow and steady. A little bit of heat. This thing just forms right up. You can tell it's all dirty and everything. It was brand new. I picked it up for like $10 at an auction. It was a steal, but I think it's actually for a 4-wheel drive floor. And this is a 2-wheel drive floor, so the hump might be a little bit, what do you want to say, weird. We'll see. Might be able to get it all stretched around and fit up in there real nice. We'll see. Dinner of Champions. I want to appreciate for everyone stopping by. Yeah. See how many people get into this stuff. I catch myself on YouTube watching all kinds of videos, so I can imagine myself watching this. Plus, I know somebody else is probably fighting one of these floor mats. These things are hell to put in, honestly, if you don't know what you're doing or you've never done one before. I'll see you guys again. Like, comment, share.